Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AEZS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. A very eventful day in this one, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one moving forward, but the problem is with the big gap down from a chart proportion standpoint, it's just really hard to see things. So what I'm going to do here is actually adjust this level in the chart over here. So we're going to have a lot of black space, but it'll just make seeing the chart much easier. And that makes things, like I said, and so the last part of the day, the afternoon, the selling pressure, the price made a nice bounce and then ultimately rolled all the way back over. And in rolling all the way over, what that did was turn a former area of support right here now into a major area of resistance headed into next week. So if there are any sort of bounces or stabilization and the price starts to head back up, the first key battleground, and I would expect it to be a pretty stubborn level, is going to be right up there at the 38-cent mark. And that's, again, just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and then close below, they tend to act as resistance. So yeah, any sort of attempted movement back to the upside. I'm not saying that this thing can't bounce or anything like that, but any sort of bounces, I think, is going to have quite a bit of a problem at 38 cents. So watch that very closely. But to be fair, the price could, get up there and break through it. And if that could occur, then the next key overarching level of resistance would be up there at 39.5 cents. So 38 initial level of resistance, and then 39.5, that next key level. As far as levels of support are concerned, as you can see here, just to make sure that we're at the lows. So really no levels of support that you can throw out there right now. You gotta kind of just wait for some sort of potential bottoming candles to form. But this big red candle here is not a bottoming candle. So from that angle of things, you kind of just got to sit back and use your chart knowledge and candlestick knowledge to watch. But overall, rough day. But we'll see if this thing can get some sort of snapback reaction or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.